All right, guys, we got a 1990 Cadillac Brougham d'Elegance, or I like to say it, d'Elegance. She has a set of 20-inch spokes and vogues, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels, guys. She has the 350 cubic inch, 5.7 liter V8, backed by a 4-speed automatic. Paint is in good condition. Frame and floor pans has a little opportunity. I think the wheels complement the paint well. If you're a guy that don't like the flashy wheels, you can put the stocks on and still ride good. Top is in good condition. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. And it's all surface, guys. It can be cleaned up and treated. Deck lid. She has some chipping going on over here in the corner, but it's solid metal. Trunk nice and clean. And she is automatic latching. Interior's in good condition and she has all the options. She got a digital gauge cluster. Seats show minor wear. Upper dash. Lower. Headliner. Back seat, nice and clean. Package tray. Engine bay is in good shape. She has the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. And she got all the modern comforts. And she is TBI fuel injected. Let's start her up. As y'all can see, the mileage reached a little under 66,000. All the contact information in the description below. Go over and visit RollingMuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. She's running nice and smooth. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one.